If you haven't been receiving notifications for messages on Instagram, in this video, I'm going to help you fix it. Let's say I open my Instagram and head over to my settings and I choose notifications from this menu. Here I have a couple of options. The first one says pause all. So you need to make sure if this one is toggled on, you will absolutely receive no notifications from Instagram at all. Also, this one is sleep mode. So if you turn this on, it says, for example, you're sleeping from 12 a.m. maybe until 12 p.m. And, in that period of time, you won't receive any notifications from Instagram whatsoever. So you need to make sure this one is also toggled off. This one says messages only. So if you toggle this on, you won't receive any notifications except for messages. Now here, as you can see, we have a different section for each part of the application. We have post, stories, comments, messages, calls, whatever. So you want to make sure your notifications are on. For example, for me, message requests on, message from individual and group chats on. As you can see, all the options are either on or this one from profiles I follow. So anyway, you want to make sure that your notifications from setting is absolutely turned on in order for you to receive notifications. Next thing you could do, if you're still not receiving notifications, you can head over to settings and scroll down and find notifications. And from this list, you want to find Instagram here, and you want to make sure that allow notifications is toggled on. This is very important because if this is off and you turn all the notifications on the Instagram app, still you won't receive notifications from Instagram because in your phone setting, they are toggled off. Now, if this doesn't work and still you can't receive any notifications, that is just a bug, and you can remove that bug simply by going to General, iPhone Storage, and choosing Instagram, offloading the app. What this does is basically clearing the cache of Instagram application on your phone, and then tap reinstall app, download, and now it will delete the Instagram cache, it will remove the app and download it again. And you won't lose any of your data. Everything will still be there when you log in again. And also this usually takes about a couple of seconds. And once you go back, your Instagram should be working fine and you should be able to receive all the notifications that you want. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.